So let us study one more topic, that is audience contact point or touch points. Audience contact points or touch point. It refers to each and every opportunity the customer has to see or hear about the company and or its product, or have an encounter or experience with it. So there are four types of you can say touch points. One is planned, where company plans, company created website, advertising, newspapers. Second is intrinsic, that is social media pages, packaging, etc. Third is initiated emails and websites. And fourth is unexpected, that is word of mouth, friends, associates, and neighbors. So, what are the touch points in where we can see in the real time market? We can see in print media, that is newspaper and magazines, public relation and publicity, digital, that is interactive media, social media, mobile, direct marketing, sales promotion, product placements on TV, television, movies, branded entertainment, events and sponsorships, word of mouth, point of purchase, that is displays and packaging, personal selling, out of home media, and broadcast media, that is television and radio.